Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, then my name is Destiny, and today we are going to make a vision board, okay? Because it's never too late to get serious about your goals. One of the best ways to get serious about your goals is to visually see them. If you're like me and you're a visual learner, then this is perfect for you, because in sight, in mind, and out of sight, out of mind. So let's put it in sight so we can reach it, okay? But let's get right into this video. All right, so the first thing that you need to do in order to create a vision board is you need pictures, you need inspiration. So what I like to do is go on Pinterest, good old Pinterest, y'all. Go on Pinterest and just kind of type in what you're looking for and find the one that fits your aesthetic, find the one that fits who you want to become in this life, and just go for it. So one thing that I really want to do is travel. So I'm gonna find a picture of a plane, and I'm just gonna type in plane, and you can just see that they have several options, and just find the one that fits your aesthetic. And then Pinterest is very updated now. I don't know if you haven't been on Pinterest in a long time, but Pinterest got that good stuff on there, okay? So you can see up here it says aesthetic and like different types of basically pictures that you can find or whatever. So just kind of find one that kind of fits who you, because everybody is different. Your board is going to look completely different from my board. We're going to have different things on it. So I click the aesthetic button because I'm all about the aesthetics. I love good aesthetics. So very much more things that I would want on my vision board, like these match me a lot more. And personally, I don't know about y'all, but I love a good night flight. So I think I'm going to choose this one. And it looks very beautiful. Definitely love a good plane pic. And then for everything else, just kind of do the same thing. So whatever you're looking for. So something else that I really love is food. I love good food. I love a good dinner. Like, that's just my vibe, like literally. So I'm going to type in food at restaurant. And then I'm gonna go to aesthetic again. And this is my vibe, like a good sushi night. We love a good sushi night. I'm gonna save this one and I'm gonna keep looking. Don't choose the first thing, you know what I'm saying? Because that's low-key settling. So don't choose the first thing. Just go through and look at what's better, because you might find something better, okay? Use that advice for more than this, okay? But yeah, so I'm just gonna see. Oh, this is cute. I love a good drinky drink. We'll put this one too. This is literally me, like hands full, bags full of stuff, with my laptop because mama's gotta work. I don't think I have anything about love life on here, and if you know me, then, well, I mean, I guess everybody wants a good lover. We like it. After you gather your pictures from Pinterest, now it's time to actually make the board. And I like to use a website called Canva. Canva is a really popular website for editing thumbnails, business, just anything you can name. Like, Canva got it. You need it, Canva got it. So I'm about to get on Canva and make this vision board. Okay, so when you get to Canva, I am going to use YouTube thumbnail because I think that it has the perfect amount of space for this. So go to YouTube thumbnail. If it's not there, you can always type it in. So then I'm going to find my photos. Okay, I need my photos, babe. Okay, so those pictures that I sent over from, I airdropped the pictures to my computer. So now I am going to send them over, and you will see as they all pop up here, but they will also pop up there as well. So it's super easy. They're already there, and you can do this however you like it. So I'm going to take this picture. I didn't like how this picture had the rim of the window. So I'm just gonna take that out and position it how I would like it to be. It doesn't matter how big you put each picture, but you have to make sure that they kind of line up so they don't overlap. So you don't like kind of miss out on anything. But I mean, it's yours, do it how you want. This is your life, your vision board, you're creating your reality. So however you want it, that's how it needs to be. Okay, but I'm gonna make this one a little bigger. I don't really want the relationship one that big, but whatever. Pictures in the position that you want them, move over to text. And what I did was just put my name. So now you're going to go to the editing settings to make it a little transparent. I picked the colors that I wanted and just really made it my own. But you can write whatever you want on it. You can write a quote, but I just choose to do my name because this is how I want my life. So I have to stamp it. I'm just gonna put Destiny's World. Or I'm just gonna put my name, honestly, because make it small, pop it in the middle. Oh no, I'm gonna put it, oh yeah, I'll put it in the middle. Go up here to this little symbol right here.